Will continue to stockpile. They're not just saving food and toilet paper. Many are adding guns and ammo to their lists. KTAB's Danica Hill reports.
Bleach, toilet paper, and guns?
That's definitely spiked a little bit this week. There's people basically coming in getting things that they may not be on the shelf next week.
Levi Wolfe, the manager at B&B Guns and Ammo, says people are pulling the trigger on the most common guns first.
Everybody has a 9mm, so everybody comes in and grabs a few boxes or getting, 1,000 rounds to get you ready to use your gun.
Employees here at B&B Guns tell me not only are they seeing an increase in gun sales, they're also seeing a change in customer base. People buying guns that have never bought guns before.
You never know what's going to happen, I hope to God that it doesn't get that out of control, but you just never know.
Roberto Rodriguez came in looking for ammo.
I've been to about 4 or 5 different places here in town, and then I was able to come over here, and they definitely had what I needed, so I feel a little more at peace, just put it that way.
In Abilene, with coverage you can count on, Danica Hill, KTAB News.
Thank you, Danica. KTAB News checked with Academy, the Caroline Colt Company, and JM4. The local gun outlets say they are pretty well stocked right now, but they have also seen an increase in sales, leading to a nationwide shortage in some supplies.